Hello everyone, welcome to Rifa's Ideas. Today I am doing avocado embroidery with magic needle. Now I am doing threading of magic needle. It's very easy. Please watch. I am doing step by step how to threading magic needle. Now I am using T9 thread. For any type bold work, you can use magic needle. It's very easy for beginners. Now using polyester swing thread. I am using 9 ply of this thread. To make these types of embroidery, please watch full video. I am doing step by step in this work. Hope you all easily understood this work. I will try my best to make it easy for everyone. If you have any question, please comment below. I will try my best to help you. Now using DMC thread. DMC thread had 6 ply. This embroidery design you can use in your kids dress, jacket or shirt pocket. For more video, stay with us. Thanks for watching.